Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. A life insurance is such an integral component of your family's financial plan. You should not purchase a policy without conducting some research. First, with that in mind, we compared more than 25 life insurance companies to find the best options for different types of consumers and their goals. Welcome to Finance House, where money is talking and people are listening. If you have not subscribed yet, then you might be losing the opportunity to become future billionaire. So make sure you subscribe the channel for future updates. Number 1. Prudential was chosen as the best life insurance company overall based on the company history of more than 140 years. The broad selection of policies available and excellent ratings for financial strength. Prudential offers term life insurance coverage, universal life insurance, indexed universal life insurance, and variable universal life insurance. And you can add riders to your policy that include an accidental death benefit, a living need benefit, and a children's protection rider. If we talk about its pros, that you can get an instant for term life insurance coverage online, and Prudential has a excellent ratings for financial strength as well as a long company history, and you can add multiple riders to your policy. If we talks about its cons, then you need to speak with an agent to get it for permanent life insurance coverage, and you cannot get a Number 2. State Farm. We choose State Farm as the best company for instant issue policies based on the fact you can apply online and get term life coverage without a medical exam or any hoops to jump through. And it comes to the life insurance product it offers. State Farm lets consumer purchase term life insurance coverage, whole life insurance, and universal life insurance. State Farm also makes it easy to enter your information and get a free online for term life. If we talk about its pros, then State Farm extends some term policies without a medical exam, and you can get an instant answer, and you can get free quotes for term life insurance coverage online. State Farm has excellent ratings for financial strength and customer satisfaction. If we talk about its cons, then State Farm is not licensed to offer life insurance in several regions. Number 3. Its whole life insurance policies are especially popular. Northwestern Mutual offers term life insurance coverage, whole life insurance coverage, and universal life insurance coverage. If we talk about pros of Northwestern Mutual, it has excellent ratings for quality and financial strength. You can purchase term life, whole life, or universal life insurance coverage. If we talk about its consequences, then you need to work with the Northwestern Mutual financial advisor to get out. Number 4. New York Life. We choose New York Life is best for term life coverage based on the fact it offers term life insurance that can convert to permanent life later on. New York Life offers 4 main types of life insurance coverage: term life insurance, whole life, universal life, and variable universal life. If we talk about its pros, then company has excellent financial ratings in a long history of 175 years, and it provides 4 main types of life insurance coverage. If we talk about its consequences, then you can't get it for life insurance online with this provider, and you will need to speak with a financial advisor before you consider their coverage options. Number 5. Transamerica offers very affordable term life insurance coverage and has a long history of financial strength and reliability, which helps the company stand out as the best value in life insurance in our review. Transamerica is licensed to sell life insurance in all states except for New York and the District of Columbia. It also offers a broad selection of life insurance coverage, including term policies, whole life insurance, universal life insurance, indexed universal life insurance, and final expense life insurance. If we talk about its pros, then it is premium for term life insurance coverage represent a significant value, and it has strong ratings for financial strength. If we talk about its consequences, then you need to speak with an agent in order to get when looking for a life insurance company. We reviewed Prudential can fulfill the life insurance needs of some more people when compared side by side to the competition. And if I am missing something, then throw your thoughts in comment section. Share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.